Creating studio quality product photos usually means hiring models, booking a studio, and spending hundreds or even thousands on a single photo shoot. But what if you could do all of that with just AI? Today, I'll show you how to turn a single product photo into a full set of catalog-ready images using AI models inside Picsart Flow. We will generate realistic models in different poses, style them around your product, and combine everything with reference imagery to create high-quality visuals for your brand, all in one workflow. No photo shoot, no crew, and no expensive setup. I'm Hike, and let's get started. Picsart Flow is an AI workflow tool that lets you ideate, iterate, and automate designs on a single visual canvas. It's a node-based workflow builder for solo creators or teams. It makes creative automation simple and powerful. From the Picsart homepage, go to the left-hand sidebar and click Flow. This will open a new window where we can create a new workflow. Let's start creating. I want to make a set of diverse creative assets for a bomber jacket that I designed. I'll create a new image node and upload the jacket. First, I want to get this jacket onto a model in different poses so I can post them on my online shop. I want my customers to see the jacket on a person and from different angles. For the second one, I want to create some images for my website and social channels, featuring my new jacket in an editorial setting. Now, let's get a model to show it off. At this point, you can either upload existing model shots you already have, or generate an AI model that fits your vibe. For this case, let's generate together an AI model. Create a new image node in your workflow next to the jacket. Picsart Flow has a wide range of models to choose from. For instance, Flux, Nano Banana, and Ideogram. For this example, let's stick to Nano Banana Pro. Let's keep the aspect ratio on auto and the quality on 4K. To generate a model from scratch, we have to prompt it like this. When generating a human model, it's very important to be as detailed as possible with the prompt. The more detail, the better the results. Once everything is typed and your settings are ready, click Generate. Wow, I like how this model turned out, and he fits the vibe I'm going for. But if you're not satisfied with your results, you can always add or subtract details in the prompt to regenerate within the same image node. Now that we have a model to work with, let's get him into different poses. From the model's image node, drag and create 3 new image nodes, so we can generate 3 different poses. In each node, write a detailed prompt describing what pose you want the model to be in. Have fun experimenting with camera angles, model positioning, and actions. Let's get the first image of him in a zoomed in 3x4 profile. For the prompt, you can type in something like this. Crop image so we can see the model from the chest up. Make the model turn into a 3/4 position. Preserve model facial features, background, lighting, and clothing, accessories. In the second one, let's have him in a walking position with his hands in his pockets. You can simply write this. Have the model in a walking pose going to the left with hands in his pockets. Preserve model facial features, background, lighting, and clothing accessories. And for the last one, let's have him sprint with a little motion blur. You can write this prompt. Have model in a sprinting pose going to the right. Lower the camera angle slightly so we are looking up at the model. Add a slightly motion blur to sections of his feet and hands. Once your prompts are ready, click Generate for each image node. I really love how they turned out. Now that we have our model in 3 different poses, let's combine them with the jacket. From the jacket image node, make connections to each model node. Now that each pose is connected with the jacket and the model, we will create 3 new nodes and type in the same prompt to make the model wear the jacket. And you can simply write something like this. Have model wear the jacket. Preserve pose and image composition. Isn't that simple? Copy and paste to the other 2 nodes and click Generate. And there we have it. Now I have ready to use images for my website, showing off my product in the best light. And of course, all done in Picsart Flow. Now let's say I need editorial style images, but I don't have the time or budget for a full photo shoot. So I'm going to continue with this workflow and use what I've already created along with some reference photos to make high quality editorial photos perfect for social and e-commerce. Let's start with the sprinting pose. Upload a reference photo in a new image node. I'm going for a gritty, high contrast action shot. Create a new image node to the right and connect the sprinting pose and the reference image. In the text box, type in something like this. Have the background be a concrete parking lot inspired by the image below. Make sure the lighting is focused on the running model. Make the lighting high contrast like a flash. Preserve model facial features and sunglasses. When you're done, click Generate. Now we have our first editorial image, and it looks great. For our walking pose, let's add another reference image. For this idea, I'm going for an effortless, street-style metropolitan look where our model and product stand out from the crowd. In a new image node, connect the reference image and the model and type something like this. When your prompt is ready, click Generate. And in a few seconds we have our second editorial image, which looks great. Now for our 3/4 pose, we can try something a little different. You can simply describe a background and you will still get amazing results even without the reference image. I want my model in an artsy and a slightly surreal setting. So in a new connected image node, type in something like this. Make the background a backdrop curtain with subtle folds. Printed on this curtain is a vintage feeling sunset sky, and preserve model pose, clothing and expression. Make sure your settings are to your liking and click Generate. Wow, I really like this one. By the way, write in the comments below which of the 3 images is your favorite. We now have different editorial images featuring the new jacket design in 3 art directions. If you want to explore the workflow and experiment on your own, you will find the link in the description. Using Picsart Flow, you can bring in your products, have models wear them, and create amazing editorial imagery for your brand in one place. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more videos. I am Haik, and I'll see you in the next one.